The Venice Grand Canal Mall is inspired by one of Italy's most romantic cities. Venice Grand Canal has elevated the shopping and lifestyle scene in the Philippines, with its uniquely Italian sights and sound and dining experience. Mall hours from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. It is located in Upper McKinley Road, Taguig City, and that's according to their website. Pagpasok mo pa lang po, ma-amaze ka sa iyong makikita at syempre, ang unang mapapansin ay ang Grand Canal. Dahil sa shopping mall na ito, halos nandito lahat ng kilalang restaurant, cafes o F&B at fast food chains. Store ng mga kilalang brands tulad ng apparel at hardware, mga cinemas, may clinics at iba pa. Masaya dito at maraming attraction. Tara na, visit na po and have fun!